What if I make a sword? Okay, so the bevels are roughly grinded, and now we are going to make an S grind. But this is not going to be an S grind you might know from people like Mariko Mamasi or knife makers who make kitchen knives. This is going to be an S grind on the ricasso. To make it, you cannot use a belt grinder, so basically you must make it by hand using files and hand milling machine. To be honest, I didn't find any good method for making this. You just need to be accurate, precise, and make it slowly. So if you plan to make something similar, don't hurry, scratch the lines as most accurate and symmetrical on both sides as possible, and just take your time. I'm using school compass to verify if the distance on both sides are the same, and this is probably the most crucial and important part of this process, so spend even half an hour to make it really precise. So guys, this is part 1 of making Elven Sword, and I've chose a really unusual handle material. and let's play a game. Try to guess what it can be. I'm not going to give you a hint, just think about something which is unusual. And this is all. Have a great day, and bye bye. We see you in the next episode.